Hello friends, presenting to you an amazing recipe for the all-time favorite, peanut butter. Peanut butter is a spreadable food paste made from dry roasted and ground peanuts. It can be topped on a number of dishes and desserts and even chewed as it is. Our special recipe includes peanuts, flax seeds and many other healthy ingredients. You can also find the nutritive value of the recipe in this video. First, let's begin with roasting the peanuts. Heat a pan at medium. We take blanched peanuts here. Roast them at medium heat. Keep stirring to roast them evenly. You can also use the store-bought roasted peanuts. The roasting takes about 5 to 10 minutes. On roasting, the peanuts turn light brown in color, and which is the correct stage we look for. Now keep them aside, and in the same pan we roast the flax seeds. Keep the flame at low. Roast them till you find the flax seeds spluttering and their color starts turning dark. Now stop the flame. Take it in a grinder and make fine powder of it. Flax seeds are loaded with nutrients, omega-3 fats and also a good source of dietary fiber. Grind them to a fine powder. And a flax meal is ready. Now take a bigger jar and put all the peanuts into it. Peanuts, as we know, is a storehouse of proteins, vitamins, minerals and good fats. We're going to grind it now. First, pulse the grinder for 3 to 5 times so that we get coarse grounded peanuts. The peanuts undergo various stages to become creamy peanut butter. Now add the flax meal to it. And grind them together again. In between, scrape the sides of the jar for better processing. Add honey for sweetness. And salt to enhance the taste. Run the grinder again at high speed. Here we get a thick and chunky paste. At this stage we add the peanut oil. You can also use any flavorless oil. Grind again at high speed. There are chances that the grinder or blender becomes hot from processing. And if you notice your machine struggling, stop and give rest for a while. Then you can continue again. Now the texture starts turning from smooth to creamy. Our creamy and delicious peanut butter is ready. Store it in clean and airtight jars. On refrigeration, it stays good for up to 2 months. This is a perfect spreadable peanut butter made with real healthy ingredients. Serve with your favorite dish or dessert and enjoy.